We'll guide you through how to create a virtual environment in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Make sure you have Python installed, as it's essential for creating virtual environments. You can check by opening a terminal in VS Code and typing Python version. If Python is not installed, you'll need to go to the official Python website and download the latest version. Once you've confirmed Python is installed, open the integrated terminal in VS Code by going to the top menu, selecting Terminal, and then New Terminal. In the terminal, navigate to the directory where you want to create your virtual environment. You can do this by typing cd, followed by the path to your desired directory. Now, to create the virtual environment, type python-m venv and press Enter. This command will create a new directory named venv in your current directory, which contains the virtual environment. Next, you need to activate the virtual environment. On Windows, type venv/scripts/activate into the terminal and press Enter. On macOS or Linux, use source venv/bin/activate. You'll know it's activated when you see the environment name in parentheses at the beginning of your terminal prompt. With the virtual environment activated, you can now install packages using pip, and they will be contained within this environment. To deactivate it, simply type deactivate in the terminal. This setup helps in managing dependencies for different projects without conflicts. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.